Hey guys, in this video I'll share with you a month 8 update of investing $1,000 each month into undervalued stocks. As you can see on my screen, after 8 months I ended up moving a total of $8,000 into my account. The table below contains 18 stocks that I purchased throughout these 8 months, including the stock names, the average cost per each share, the number of shares that I purchased, and the total investment, which is just average cost multiplied by number of shares. And as you can see, I invested a total of $7,998.69. The next two columns in orange and red colors show the current stock price of each company as of today and how much lifetime dividends each company paid me. The next column is the current value of each investment as of today. And finally, the last two columns show how much profit or loss I'm making on each of my investments, first in dollar values and then in percentages. Green colors are unrealized profits so far and red colors are unrealized losses. Overall, the stock market has been quite generous for the past 8 months and 15 out of my 18 investments are profitable so far, which are all in these green colors. In terms of the dollar profits, my 3 most profitable investments as of now are Chewy, which is up by $268, followed by Shopify, which is up by $233, and in third place is Lyft, which is up by $185. In terms of the percentage returns, my 3 best companies as of now are Chewy with 69% return so far, followed by Tesla with 44% return, and then Lyft again with 38% return. Now, in terms of the only 3 companies that are losing me money, we have Boeing at the first place, which is down by $157 or negative 10% loss so far. I'm not really surprised about Boeing because the company has been having a lot of issues, but I'm convinced that the company will eventually bounce back, and as of today their stock price is undervalued. Then we also have Adobe and Disney, which are both down by about $20, which I'm not really concerned about. So overall, the value of my $8,000 investment as of today is $9,227.88. This means that I'm up by $1,227.88 or 15.3% return on my investment. Make sure to check out my video next week where I'll be investing another $1,000 as part of my investments in November. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.